certain exercises that are key to your skiing muscles. And the skiing muscles are on the top of the leg above the knee. It's called the quadricep muscle. So you really want to do something that strengthens the quads. A lot of exercise like you do daily, running, jogging, lifting weights. It's good to stay fit, but it's not specifically targeting the ski muscle. So I would recommend doing a one-legged standing exercise that I have on my website, adventureski.com, and consider doing core exercises, because if your core is strong, you'll be in much better overall shape and you'll be a much better skier if your core is strong. So I would highly recommend some aerobics, some plyometrics, some Pilates. All those things would be great ways for staying in shape. And even just bicycle riding and rollerblading in the off season is a good way to prepare and stay in shape for the season.